Christmas is such a special time for celebrating life and love and family. It's also a time that I know my students ask to learn some fun carols. So let's get started. Hi there, I'm Kylie and we love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire students to learn the love of music here at our music studios. Today, let's create some simple parts that match a YouTube link for the song Little Drummer Boy. This is arranged beautifully by the group Pentatonix, using no backing instruments, only voices. This is called a cappella, but I think we can add some piano notes to match. Let's work out the notes for the verse section where they start to sing the words, "Come, they told me." We can start on this middle black note. We can call this A flat, or let's colour it green. Say the note or colour, then hold it for a second beat. We play and hold two greens and then a quick D flat or red colour. Back to A flat or green, and then for a quick E flat or white note. 1, 2, ready, go. The next section is really similar. We hold two greens again, then a quick D flat red, A flat or green hold, then a quick F, and let's make that black. 1, 2, ready, go. Next, we have 5 E flat holds, which are whites. Watch that you don't rush. 1, 2, ready, go. Then we return to A flat green and hold for the second beat. Move to D flat or red this time and hold for 3 beats before another A flat hold and E flat hold and E flat hold again. 1, 2, ready, go. We then finish with the first line again. We play and hold two greens and then a quick D flat or red colour. Back to A flat or green, and then for a quick E flat or white note. 1, 2, ready, go. One, two, here we go. Green, hold, green, hold, red, green, hold, white, green, hold, green, hold, red, green, hold, black, white, hold, white, hold, white, hold, white, hold, white, hold, green, hold, red, hold, hold, green, hold, white, hold, white, hold, green, hold, green, hold, red, green, hold, white, green to finish. Now that we've looked at a super easy verse option, let's make it one step harder by adding some other counts if you want a little challenge. These notes will be added to the second beat for any of the notes that we were holding. Our extra A flat notes could include E flat and C. Keep the D flat and E flat and F quick changes for the left hand notes. Just as a single bass note, no right hand needs to be added to these. But when you have lots of E flats, then let's add an E flat and B flat for the extra beats also. So let's have a go with the full verse with the extra notes, showing how they fit with the rhythm. 1, 2, ready, go. I'll model now an option for the interlude. This has a feeling of 3 counts and a quick one, 3 counts and a quick one. On the 3 counts, we can add some rockings again. This time, let's go a little higher to create a pretty little interlude. 1, 2, here we go. Finally, let's do a full run, and I'll throw in some lyrics also so that it's a little easier as we accompany Pentatonix. 1, 2, here we go. Come, little me, pa-ra-pa-pam-pam. A newborn king to see, pa-ra-pa-pam-pam. Our finest gifts we bring, pa-ra-pa-pam-pam. To lay before our king, pa-ra-pa-pam-pam, ra-pa-pam-pam, ra-pa-pam-pam. So to honor him, pa-ra-pa-pam-pam, when we come. Get ready with your A flat pattern. If you want to stay with the easy option, then use my left hand as a guide as we play along, with the YouTube link that I'll add below. Well, thanks for staying to the end. I'd love for you to subscribe if you're enjoying the content, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment that you can give. Happy caroling!